Hi everyone, welcome again to Play Drums the easy way. So we're going to continue, our different rhythms, and today we're going to be looking at a Latin beat, and it's going to actually be in 3 parts. So you're going to go through it part by part by part. Should be about 3 different videos. Before I go there, I also want to encourage all the beginner drummers that I have a book coming out also named Play Drums the Easy Way. All right, we're going to work with that, and I'll have it there in the bio, not in this video, but as we move along. So let's go. So for this Latin beat, we're going to start on the bass drum playing 2 beats, right? Hi-hat. Going. Snare. Feel the beat. Feel the rhythm. Alright, so remember to share, like this video, alright, check the link in the description, and see you in the next video.